Have you ever wondered how long it would take to double your money? It's not magic, it's mathematics. Specifically, it's a rule called the Rule of 72. This straightforward rule is a handy tool for estimating the time it will take for an investment to double, given a fixed annual rate of interest. Though it's not exact, it's a great starting point for quick calculations and financial projections. So you might be asking, how does this rule work? It's easier than you might think. The Rule of 72 is a simple formula. You take the number 72 and divide it by the interest rate. The result is approximately how many years it will take for your investment to double. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you have an investment yielding a 6% interest rate. If you take 72 and divide it by 6, you land on 12. That means, given a 6% rate, your investment would take roughly 12 years to double in value. Now, it's crucial to understand that this is an approximation. Actual results may swing due to compounding, market fluctuations, and other factors. Yet the Rule of 72 remains a handy tool for quick estimates, allowing you to compare different investment scenarios swiftly. Remember, the Rule of 72 is just a tool. It's not a guarantee, but it can help you make more informed investment decisions. To sum up, the Rule of 72 is a quick way to estimate how long it takes for an investment to double, given a fixed annual interest rate. This simple formula offers a rough estimate, making it an invaluable tool for swift comparisons between different investments. While it may not provide a precise number, its ease and speed of application are what make it a popular choice among investors. So next time you're pondering an investment, remember the Rule of 72. It might just be the tool you need to make a smart decision. Thank you for tuning into this video and showing your support for self-education and lifelong learning. If you found this content valuable, please take a moment to show your appreciation by giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. We love creating content that is both informative and engaging, and we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create videos that you'll love. If you're interested in learning more about this topic or related subjects, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You'll find a wealth of information that will help you on your journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.